Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss how to improve or increase conversion rate in Facebook ads. I hope you are running Facebook ads, but if you are not getting good conversion or you want to improve or increase your conversion rate, then how you can do it? Let me tell you that you can take various steps. The first and foremost important step is that wait for ad learning phase to complete. After ad learning phase, meta technology will identify how which kind of people have reacted or engaged with your ad, and meta will automatically showcase your ad to those kind of people or those kind of group. Then you will automatically get good conversion rate, right? So the first and foremost important step is to wait for ad learning phase to get completed. The second step that you can do is use good ad creatives, right? Use good ad creatives, use UGC generated content, right? Your ad copy must be compelling, your ad copy must be convincing, right? And your ad creative should be very much clear, it should not be ambiguous, right? So automatically people will get convinced and will get converted, right? So kindly work on the ad creative quality, right? And the third important factor is use good hookup lines in your ad, right? You use good hooks, use good sales hook that automatically triggers to the mind of the user watching that particular ad, right? This is also very much important. Use good primary text, use good CTA button, use clear CTA button. Don't manipulate users, use clear CTA button whether you want to order or whether you want to book. No learn more, nothing. Buy now, order now, book now. Clear CTA buttons should be there. Apart from this, also optimize your landing page. Many times what happen is that people run ads, but their website or their landing pages are not optimized. They don't work on Google Analytics hand by hand, right? You should focus on Google Analytics as well. You should focus on the analytics of your website. Like how much time on an average people are spending over there, and why the conversion is not happening. Might be there is a issue with UI UX, right? Or people are not able to find the proper CTA button over there to purchase anything, right? Or your website is not loading fast. So there are n number of reasons that can stop users to get converted on your website. So you need to identify what are the key improvement areas on your landing page or website that can help user to get converted faster, right? So you should work on your landing page also. Apart from it, you should target a good audience. Many times people do what they either do narrow targeting of audience. No, this is not the right way. You should not narrow your audience, you should use broad targeting. Apart from it, you can also retarget users by showing them Facebook ads. Like people who have engaged with your business previously in past, you can retarget them. You can show your retargeting ad campaigns to them, so that your ad frequency automatically gets increased and people get convinced and you start getting good conversions. It will automatically improve the conversion rate. If you believe that you will showcase your ad for the one time to every user and people will get convinced, it is never going to happen. So my friend, you should focus on ad frequency also, like showing the same ad multiple times to users will automatically get them converted, because people will start trusting on your brand, will start relying on your brand. You can use UGC content to retarget them, so to build the trust on your company or business and get them converted, right? So the next thing is audience targeting. You should use broad targeting, you should use retargeting ad campaign. You can design a sales funnel, right? You can design a sales funnel. You can initially you can showcase your brand awareness ad. You can start running awareness ad campaign, right? And the another ad campaign focusing on users who have engaged with your awareness ad campaign, right? And apart from that, you can also start running a retargeting ad campaign on the basis of metapixel, right? How people have engaged with your website, how much they have spent time on your website, or which specific pages they have visited. So these are some factors that you need to consider, you need to focus, and don't forget the ad learning phase to pass, right? It is the basic and the foremost important factor that you must focus on to improve or increase your conversion rate in Facebook ads. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.